Welcome to the GPVerse. Your health is your greatest asset, and at the GPVerse, we're here to help you protect it. This channel is dedicated to empowering you with accurate, reliable, and easy-to-understand medical information. Whether you're looking to learn about common health issues, explore wellness tips, or stay updated with the latest advancements in medicine, you've come to the right place. Our mission is simple: to make medical knowledge accessible to everyone. We believe that when you're informed, you're empowered to make better decisions about your health and the health of your loved ones. Here at the GPVerse, we cover a wide range of topics, including tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, understanding medical conditions and their treatments, breaking down complex medical concepts into simple terms, updates on the latest medical research and innovations. Every video is designed with you in mind, from trusted advice to practical tips that you can implement in your daily life. Whether you're here to educate yourself, find answers, or simply explore the fascinating world of medicine, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Before we dive into today's topic, the rise of personalized medicine, trends and predictions for 2025, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Welcome to the GPVerse, where better health begins with better knowledge. Let's get started. The rise of personalized medicine, trends and predictions for 2025. Imagine a world where your medical treatment is as unique as your fingerprint. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, your healthcare is tailored specifically to your genes, lifestyle, and even your environment. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, by 2020, this could be your reality. Welcome to the future of personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, also known as precision medicine, is revolutionizing healthcare. It's all about using advanced technologies like genomics, AI, and big data to create customized treatment plans for each individual. But what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. 1. Genomic medicine advancements. By 2025, genetic testing will be faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever. Thanks to next-generation sequencing, we'll be able to decode your entire genome in hours, not weeks. This means doctors can identify genetic mutations linked to diseases like cancer, heart disease, or diabetes long before symptoms appear. Early detection, check. Personalized prevention plans? Double check. Tier U. AI and predictive analytics in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is the backbone of personalized medicine. AI can sift through mountains of data, from your genetic makeup to your wearable tech stats, to predict health risks and recommend treatments. Imagine your smartwatch not just tracking your steps, but alerting you to potential heart issues before they become serious. That's the power of AI in 25.
3. Customized drug therapies. Gone are the days of trial and error with medications. Pharmacogenomics, the study of how genes affect your response to drugs, will allow doctors to prescribe medications tailored to your genetic profile. This means fewer side effects and faster recovery times. By 2025, we might even see 3D printed pills customized to your exact needs. 4. Wearable tech and big data. Wearable technology is already huge, but by 2025, it's going to be next level. These devices will continuously monitor your health metrics, like blood pressure, glucose levels, and even stress hormones, and sync that data to your healthcare provider in real time. This constant stream of information will help create hyper-personalized health plans that adapt to your daily life. 5. Targeted therapies for chronic diseases. Chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's will see groundbreaking treatments by 2025. Targeted therapies will focus on the specific molecular or genetic drivers of your disease, making treatments more effective and less invasive. For example, individualized cancer treatments will target only the cancer cells, sparing healthy ones. It's a game changer. 6. Ethical considerations. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Personalized medicine raises important ethical questions. Who owns your genetic data? How do we ensure it's used responsibly? These are challenges we'll need to address as we move forward. But one thing's for sure, the benefits far outweigh the risks. So, what does all this mean for you? By 2025, healthcare will be more proactive, precise, and personalized than ever before. It's not just about treating diseases. It's about preventing them and optimizing your health at every stage of life. If you're as excited about the future of healthcare as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.
And speaking of the future, up next, we'll be discussing mental health in 2025, trends and innovations.
Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay healthy.